Hi, this is immigration lawyer Elaine Martin. Today I will talk about the steps for a permanent residence application, green card, for a foreign national who is outside the US while the process is taking place. The first step is the US citizen will file something called an I-130, a petition for alien relative with the Immigration Service in the United States. This is where the US citizen shows that he or she is a US citizen, is free to marry, is not too close a relative, not brothers and sisters, for example. Any prior marriages have dissolved, and similar with the foreign national. The Immigration Service in the US at the moment is taking 8 months or so to approve these petitions. When it is approved, it is sent to the National Visa Center, or NVC. That is a branch of the Department of State that starts looking at the application and the paperwork to make sure it is ready for interview at the consulate. Once the NVC gets the case, they send out notice to the foreign national and hopefully to the lawyer and the applicant with a case number and an invoice number. Those numbers are really important because until you get those numbers, you can't do the next step, which is setting up an account with the NVC, with the Department of State, and paying the visa bill. Then all of the documents that are going to be needed at the interview, copies of them, are sent to the NVC. They will review everything, including things like the affidavit of support. That will be the subject of a separate video because it is too much to explain here. There's the affidavit of support. There may be police reports, there may be court records, there will be birth certificates, marriage certificates, a lot of documents. The NVC will look at them. If they are happy that everything is there and that there are no additional documents needed, then they will tell the consulate that the case is ready for interview. At that point, you wait to get the interview notice from the consulate. They will notify you, and they will also tell you that you will need to get a medical exam done and give you the details of the doctor, the local doctor in that country that you need to go to. Once you have your interview and presumably get approved, you will be given an immigrant visa. You have to enter the United States within 6 months of that date, usually. You present the packet of documents to the Customs and Border Protection official at the airport when you are entering, or at the port of entry if you're crossing by land. And then hopefully within a few weeks after that, you will get your green card in the mail. This is a very simplified explanation of the process. It does not cover any of the specific circumstances that might apply if there are any complicating factors. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments. Please let me know if you would like anything else covered in future videos. Please like this, subscribe, and check back for future videos every week. Bye.